Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain cloud integration in Domo. Okay. So let's understand what is cloud integration. So when I click on more in the cloud integration, we can see two parts. One part is native integration and another part is federated. Okay. So let's understand one by one. Leverage our cloud investment with Domo without moving or copying the data. So when we use a normal connector, okay, when we use connect data, or can say when we use a regular connector, what we do, we import the data from various sources into Domo. Okay, and then we create a transformation on top of that imported data, or we create a visualization on top of that imported data. But when we go with a cloud integration, what we do, we don't import data. Okay, data lives at original platform. Just example, if I am importing just example, I have a data in Databricks catalog. Okay, and instead of using a Databricks connector, if I use a cloud integration, then I'm not bringing data into Domo cloud. Okay, I'm just connecting Domo with Databricks. Okay, and then I'm creating a transformation on top of that inside Domo. Okay, and then we can create a visualization on that. So here in the Domo we have a two option. One is native integration, another is federated. So let me go back and show you more. Okay, so hold on. Yeah, so in the native integration, we can create a transformation on top of data. Like just assume I have a data on Databricks platform. Okay, so on top of that data, I can create transformation inside Domo, not in Databricks. Okay, so when I choose a federated, then I cannot create any of the transformation on top of source data that is in Databricks catalog. So why I am taking Databricks catalog? Because I chosen one specific example. Okay, but we have multiple data sources. Okay, so let me click on this native integration. So in this native integration, we have this much data sets, or can say data source. So if we have this data source, then we can create a native integration. Means we can connect Domo with these data sets, and we can create a transformation on top of these data sets inside Domo, and then we can create a visualization on that transformed data. Okay, in the native integration when we have these data sets, or can say data source, sorry. Now next is federated. So in the federated, Domo has given this much options. Okay, so it means on this data sets, or can say on this data source, we can only create visualization in Domo. We cannot create a transformation when we are choosing cloud integration. Okay, so the cloud integration, let me repeat again, we are not bringing data into Domo. Data is at original source. Okay, so if my source is Databricks, then data is at Databricks catalog. If my source is Azure Data Lake Gen 2 account, then data will be at Azure Data Lake Gen 2 account. Data won't be imported inside Domo. Okay, this is cloud integration. Okay, so in the cloud integration, we have a two part. First part is native integration, second part is federated. In the native integration, we can create a transformation on top of that, and we can create a visualization on a transformed data. Okay, but when we go for federated, we can only create visualization on top of data. We cannot create a transformation. Okay, for native integration, we have these available data sources. Okay, and when I go to back for federated, we have this available we have this much available data sources. Okay, so this is theory part. In the next video, I will take one example, and I will show you how to integrate data into Domo. Okay, so in this video, I will take a Databricks example. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain how to create cloud integration in Domo. Okay. What is cloud integration? I explained in my previous video. Now in this video, I will explain how to implement. So connect data, cloud integration. So we have the source, click on more. So when I click on more in this video, I'm explaining only native integration. Okay. So when I click on more, we can see available data sources. So I'm going to use this Databricks. Okay. I clicked on Databricks. I need to connect to Databricks. Okay. So here I need to provide a name. So let's provide cloud integration test. Okay. Now Databricks service account. So either I have available service account or I can create a new one. Let's create add new account. Okay. So cloud integration test. Okay. Now server host name account port is default 443. Need HTTP path and personal access token. These are the details I need. So in my previous video in the Databricks connector, I had explained how to create a personal access token. Okay. So I will show again, don't worry. So first come here, click on profile, setting, developer. Okay. Here we have an access token. So I already have this much access token, so I'm going to use one of them. Okay. But for you guys, just click on generate token. You can provide some comment and click on generate. Okay. But I don't need to generate because I already have multiple. Okay. Now, what other details are required? HTTP path and host name. Okay. First, let me fill my personal access token. This is my personal access token. I already have, I had saved here. Okay. Personal access token. Now HTTP path. Come to Domo. Sorry, come to Databricks. Compute. Okay. Click on available warehouse compute. Connection details. We can see we have a host name. Copy this. Come to Domo. Server host name. Okay. Again go to Databricks. This is HTTP path. Come to Domo. Put HTTP path. Okay. Now let's create account. Created. Now we have to create integration. Click on create integration. Okay. So it is taking some time. Let's wait. We can see it is saving the integration. So what happened when the integration complete? We can see all the catalog of this Databricks account in Domo. Okay. Proceed to integration overview. Okay. So we can see this catalog is refreshing. So we can see we have a catalog called Learn PySpark, Sample, Source, Stock Data, System, Workspace. When I come to Databricks, click on Catalog, we can see same number of catalogs here. Here we can see. Okay. So we successfully integrated this Databricks into Domo. Okay. Now, what is the use? So in my previous video in the theory, I already explained the use of this cloud integration. Okay. I can use any of the catalog data in the Domo without copying or importing data into Domo. Okay. So let me click on this source catalog. I don't think I have anything in this. Sorry. In this, I have the data in the Learn PySpark catalog. So in this, I have a source schema. Okay. So when I click on source schema, I have these two tables. Okay. So I can directly use these tables. Okay. So this is, I can say this Domo is sync with Databricks, or Domo is integrated with Databricks. Means Databricks data is not copied in Domo, or it's not imported in Domo. Okay. But when we use a regular connector, what happens? Data gets copied or data gets imported in the Domo. Okay, I will show you the difference. Okay, I'm trying to get this stage customer data. Click on connect. So we are connecting, or can say we are syncing Domo with Databricks. Okay, now click on this. So we can see the four rows. Let's click on the data. So again, this is like integrated or sync data. It's not copied or it's not imported. Okay, I will show you. When I click on this three dot, we can see the option sync with cloud. So if we think our source is updated and this in the Domo it is not updated, then again we can click on sync with cloud and we can refresh this. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, now if we create a regular connect, if we bring imported or copied data using a regular connector, what happens? Instead of this sync with cloud, we have a option run now. Let me show you. uh, Click on data. This is my Domo. Okay, okay. So just now, I think in my previous video, I had created a data set using a Domo connector. Okay, I just want to click on this. This is my connector data. Okay, this is not integrated data. When I click on this three tout, we can see we have option run now because we had imported or copied this data from Databricks to Domo. Okay, it's not integrated, it's a copied. Okay, so here we have option run now. Okay, so when we do run now, what will happen? It will bring a fresh data from a source into Domo. Okay, but when we use integrated data sets, okay, then it never brings the data into Domo. It just sync, it just show the, I can say, glimpse of data or view of data, but it never import data into Domo. Okay, so this is the difference between regular connector and Domo integration, I mean, sorry, cloud integration. Thank you.